D. You want to know how to make $100 a day with ChatGPT? Well, you've come to the right place. But it gets even better, because I am going to show you how to do it while you sleep. Are you ready to learn more? Then make sure to stick around until the end of this video. Hey, what's up, winners? My name is Anonymous. Hope you're doing absolutely amazing. Welcome back to Earning Guru, the no-B channel for making money online. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of AI hacks that can potentially earn you $100 a day, or even more. And guess what? You won't need to lift a finger once you set it up. That's right. This side hustle is all about creating passive income while you catch some Z's. So, if you're ready to turn your dreams of financial freedom into reality, then let's dive right in. Before we get into the juicy details of how to make $100 a day with ChatGPT, let me quickly introduce myself and this incredible channel. For those of you who are new here, let me tell you, you've stumbled upon a treasure trove of information. When it comes to making money online, on this channel, we cover everything from the latest making money online ideas to in-depth tutorials and everything else in between. I'm talking about making money with AI, affiliate marketing, freelancing, e-commerce, dropshipping, and even crypto. You name it, we've got you covered. Plus, we keep it 100 real and authentic. No fake promises or get-rich-quick schemes here, just genuine strategies and tips that have been tried, tested, and proven to work. And the best part? We keep it 100 free. And now let's get back to the video. Here's what we're gonna do. Step number 1. We're going to log into our account and click on this button right here that says Create a New Chat. Now once we do that, we're going to type in Generate a Business Idea and hit Enter, and just like that, ChatGPT is spitting out business ideas left and right. It's like having a personal business coach, but without the expensive coaching fees. These ideas are pure gold, especially for those of you who might be scratching your head about where to start your online journey. So take your time, read through these suggestions and pick the one that resonates with you the most. Remember, the most successful businesses are the ones that not only make a profit, but also bring you joy and fulfillment. But hold up, we're not done yet. Now that you've got your business idea, it's time to refine it even further. Click on this button that says Add a Filter and select Competition, Low Competition, and hit Enter. Now, ChatGPT will analyze your business idea and provide you with similar businesses that have low competition. This is like having a crystal ball that shows you where the untapped opportunities are. It's like exploring uncharted waters where the chances of success are higher than ever before. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably wondering how exactly you're going to make $100 a day. With this, well, my friend, the sky's the limit. With the business ideas generated by ChatGPT and the low competition insights, you can dive right in and start your online venture. Whether you're into e-commerce, digital marketing, freelancing, or any other online hustle, the possibilities are endless. The best part, you'll be doing it in a niche that's ready for you to conquer. So go ahead, explore these opportunities and let your imagination run wild. Who knows, you might just be the next big thing in the industry. Now here's the deal. As you're watching this video, I need you to think of your very own business idea that you can start today. Write it down in the comments section below. Don't hold back. Let those creative juices flow and who knows, maybe you'll stumble upon the next big thing. And don't forget to hit that like button. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and joining our awesome community. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. We're here to support each other on this journey towards online success. Thanks for tuning in. Keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace.